Hello again, everyone. So I hope you are all guys having a good day. So for today, our lesson is chemistry. I'll be covering some of the topics much as I can in chemistry, and then we have the first topic, which is all about atom, molecules, etc. So this is just a little history of atom. So atom, that is the smallest particle in an element. So for example, you have sodium, which is Na, and then it is from the Greek word atomus, which means indivisible. Okay, and then for the molecule, it is now the smallest part of compound. So compound that is composed of several elements. So there is a compound. So sodium chloride, that is NaCl, or the table salt. For a mole, we can say that it is the absolute quantity of matter, and also the Avogadro's quantity of everything. Okay, and then we have 1 mole of element is equal to 6.023 times 10 raised to 23 atoms. And this is also called the Avogadro's number. It is the number, constant number 24 on your calculator if you are using a Casio 991 ES Plus. And the symbol for that is Na. So again, that is equal to 6.023 times 10 raised to 23 atoms per mole. And 1 mole of compound, that is also equal to the same, the Avogadro's number molecule. So the unit can also be a molecules per mole. So we have now the formulas, which are number of moles equal to N equal to M over molecular weight. So I think you already know this if you watch my videos in thermodynamics. Okay, so that is N, or the number of moles, is equal to the mass over molecular weight, and it is also called atomic mass sometimes. And then we have the number of atoms or number of molecules. So this is actually N equal to, this should be N. Okay, let's delete that. That's N times Na, or the Avogadro's number. So replacing N, that will give you M times Na all over molecular weight. So that's it. So with that, let's move on to the next. To the first problem. So we have our first problem, which is the, if the atomic weight or mass of carbon 12 is exactly 12 AMU, or atomic mass unit, find the mass of a single um, carbon 12 atom. So let's put down all the givens. So we have a given here, which is the molecular weight. Okay, molecular weight of the atom is 12, right? So 12 AMU. Okay. Or you can also make this gram per mole. Gram per mole. And then that is carbon 12. We are asked to find the mass of the carbon 12. And then we can have single carbon 12. Therefore, our N is equal to 1. And then we are required now to find the mass. So if that is a mass, so you should be in grams. And then for the solution, we can use the formula N is equal to M over molecular weight times Na, or the Avogadro's number. So we are asked to find M. Therefore, substituting the values, N is equal to 1 equal to M is the one that we are looking for, and then MW is 12. And then the Avogadro's number, which is the constant number 24, or that is simply 6.023 times 10 raised to 23. And then looking for the value of M, okay, M, you'll get here 1.99 times 10 raised to negative 20. This is actually gram, and that will be your answer. Okay, moving on to the next number, which is the atomic weight of iron is 55.847 AMU, or atomic mass unit. So therefore, we can have here, put down all the givens. So we have here all the givens. We have the molecular weight, right? This is equal to 55.847. AMU is also, you can also write this as gram per mole. Okay, and if you have 6.02 gram, okay, so that is mass. 6.02 gram of iron. Okay, so this is iron. The element is iron, right? And then how many atoms are present? Therefore, we are required to find the N. Sure, this is the N aspect. Therefore, looking for the value for that, okay, this is equal to M over molecular weight times the Avogadro's number. Okay? So M is 6.02 over molecular weight is 55.847 times the Avogadro's number. You use your calculator to get that. The value for that is 6.492 times 10 raised to 22 atoms. So you can also check this using your calculator. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic.